Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a soft, blooming hydrangea nail design using just blooming gel and toothpicks. With a few simple techniques, you can achieve a salon-quality finish right at home. Thanks to the blooming gel, all you have to do is wait and watch the design develop naturally. It's easier than it looks, and the result is stunning. I'll walk you through all the key steps, so please stay with me until the end. Today, I'll be working on nail tips. But if you're applying directly to your natural nails, make sure to complete your nail prep first. Cuticle care, gentle sanding, oil removal, and applying a base gel. Cure it under a light, and you're ready to begin. First, apply an ivory to the entire nail. This step helps prevent the semi-sheer colors we'll use next from appearing too transparent. After applying the base, cure it under a light. Next, take a sheer purple and a sheer blue and apply them randomly across the nail. Soft purples and blues work great for creating that signature hydrangea look. Apply the colors in about 3 different spots. Then gently tap the edges with your brush to blur and blend them. Once the color is softly blended all over, cure it again. Now, apply a layer of blooming gel. This gel allows the next layer of color to spread naturally on the nail, giving that watercolor-like effect. Spread it evenly across the entire nail surface, but don't cure it yet. Next, we'll create the flower design using toothpicks. Take 4 toothpicks and tape them together to keep the tips steady. Place the tips gently onto the nail so they follow the natural curve of the surface, and tape them in place to prevent shifting. Then, dip the tips into a small amount of ivory gel. Gently press the bundled toothpicks onto the uncured blooming gel. The color will begin to spread softly, forming a 4-petal flower shape. Since the gel continues to bloom over time, quickly stamp the second and third flowers right after the first. To avoid overblooming and losing the flower shape, cure the gel as soon as the size looks just right. Next, place a small amount of white gel onto a palette. Using a fine liner brush, lightly outline each flower to give them more definition. Try not to make the lines too sharp. You want to keep a soft, airy feel. You can also add a small dot in the center of each flower to enhance the design. Once the details are done, cure the nails completely. Finally, apply a layer of non-white matte top coat. I chose a matte finish to give the design a soft, delicate look, but you can also go with a glossy top coat if you prefer a shinier result. Feel free to choose what suits your style best. Once the top coat is applied, cure it one last time. And that's it! It's hard to believe this soft, delicate hydrangea design was created with just toothpicks. What did you think of this blooming hydrangea nail art made with toothpicks? With just blooming gel and a few toothpicks, anyone can achieve a professional-looking finish. It may look complicated at first, but once you try it, you'll see how simple and fun it actually is. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more video like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.